In this video I'm going to share with you the top 5 quality brands of kitchen blenders. WantJoin Professional Blender comes in position 1. This is a professional home and commercial countertop blender with 2200 watts power, a hardened stainless steel blade, which makes crushing ice faster and blend ingredients smoother than other blenders. It has a speed control to achieve a variety of textures, besides the common materials. With these, even raw fish could be made into mashed and eating directly, and one button stitch for cleaning thoroughly. It also has a timer, to ensure safe using, and automatically stops when setted time, 1 to 5 minutes for your choice reached. Good for ice crush, smoothie, frozen desserts, soups, nuts, sauces, hummus, dips, shakes, juices, salsas and ice mincing. The blender could mince in 10 seconds without adding extra water and no falling while turning over. Finally, it comes with a motor base, 2L thickened PC container with rubber handle, and manual guide. Price for this item is $85.89. For more information, check the link in description. In position 2 is the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender features a sleek design and outstanding performance with 1000 watts of professional power, 64-ounce maximum liquid capacity. Ninja Total Crushing Blades gives you perfect ice crushing, blending, pureeing, and controlled processing. Crush ice and frozen fruit in seconds. With 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making large batches of creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family. Also perfect for large batches of delicious margaritas and daiquiris. It blasts ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces, dips and smoothies. It also has 6-blade assembly, allows you to crush ice faster and blend ingredients smoother than other blenders. To clean the motor base, use a damp cloth to wipe clean. Value for this is $89.99. I will leave the link in description for more information. In position 3 comes the Tance Professional Countertop Blender for kitchen. Tance Professional Blender adopts 2200 watt power and hardened stainless steel blade that not only plays the role of blender but also acts as a juicer, meat grinder, ice machine and much more. Its stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients. 2200 watt motor has the power to crush through whole fruits, vegetables and ice in seconds. All materials of this smoothie maker are BPA free. Health, safety and durability make it ideal for blending smoothies, drinks, shakes for your whole family, and the sturdy, non-slip large handle prevents your hand from slipping out of the handle while pouring the milkshake. Finally, it has speed control to achieve a variety of textures, and one button switch for cleaning thoroughly. No need to remove the blades. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Tance blender can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. Value for this item is $89.99. For more information, check out the link in description. In position 4 is the COLZER Professional Countertop Blender. Its 2200 watt motor has the power to crush through whole fruits, vegetables and ice in seconds. Powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction provides great tasting, nutritious beverages. The blending jar with BPA free is built to last, an easy to hold handle, and BPA free lid. The blender base is equipped with anti-slip suction feet, so you can blend safely on your kitchen countertop. Its stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, so from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. All materials of this smoothie maker are BPA free. Its non-slip large handle prevents your hand from slipping out of the handle while pouring the milkshake. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your professional blender high-power blender high-speed blender can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. Price of this item is $89.99. Check out the link in description for more information. Finally, in position 5 is COSORI Blender for shakes and smoothies. Designed in California, its razor-sharp blade provide the food in most easily absorbed state for nutrient and vitamin extraction by thoroughly breaking down ice cubes, frozen fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts and all kinds of ingredients. It has a professional blender motor designed with 1400 watt and 25,000 revolutions per minute motor. COSORI Pro blender offers high performance no matter what you make. Variable speed. Variable choices enable you to smoothly adjust your blender's speed to make vortex. Use the speed control knob to go between low and high speeds, even while mid-blend. Its non-slip handle and base help you handle it all. Noise reduction pad makes it much quieter than those in the market. It comes with 60 ounces BPA-free pitcher and 20 ounces personal travel bottle, with to-go lids. All of them are dishwasher safe. Recipe book made by COSORI chefs is included. It's safe clean, no need to remove the blades. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your COSORI blender can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. Price for this is $99.99. For each and every blender I have left the link in description. We attach great importance to customer experience. If you have any problem, please contact us first. We will give you a satisfied solution in 24 hours. See you in the next video.